Hi, today we're going to be making a Halo Custom Edition health bar. First thing to do is go ahead and open up Photoshop. Make a new image. Make sure the image is 256 width and 64 height, and RGB color. Go ahead and zoom in. Go to the dropper tool and paint it black. Then design a white colored health bar. Go to the channels and create a copy of blue. Call it alpha. Now select that alpha channel and go to the gradient tool. Start from the right side going to the left, dragging from each white end. Make sure it's straight. This is what it should look like when you get done. Let's go back and select RGB and save our work. We need to save it in this directory, and we can name it whatever we want, but we need to save it as a .tif file. If this file directory does not exist, you must create it. Discard your layers and save. We just created the top layer for our health bar, but now we need to make the bottom layer so it looks right. We're going to use the same exact image, except we're going to delete the old alpha layer, duplicate the blue layer again, and then just name it alpha and save it. Go back to RBG, save as, and let's name it something else. Once again, it can be anything, but it needs to be saved as a .tif and discard your layers. We're done with Photoshop now. Alright, open up Tool and type in the following command. This will take our .tif files and turn them into Halo Custom Edition tags. You can see that they have errors. We need to open Gorilla and change some formatting. Go Open, go to UI, HUD, Bitmaps, and open up our two bitmaps we just created. Go to the format and make sure they're set to 32 color. Let's do that again. Alright, now they build properly. Let's go back to Gorilla and open some tags. Once again, we'll be working in the UI HUD directory. Copy this tag and make a duplication of it in the same directory. You can name it whatever you want, just as long as it isn't something that is already there. Once you finish renaming it, go ahead and open up the tag. Now we need to scroll down. We're looking for the health panel background. We need to change it to our modified image. Make sure to select the background version. Now let's go ahead and open up our bitmap that isn't the background version. Note these two locations with numbers. That tells it where it is on the screen. We need to match them up. You'll have to play around with this when you're making your own HUD, because it's different for everybody. Right here we have our colors. Those can be edited to change the color of the health HUD. There's one more thing we need to edit. Let's open up another tag. We need to go back to our tags folder and look for characters. Cyborg MP biped. Once we have it open, we need to scroll down and look for the new HUD interfaces. Let's click on the three dots and open up our tags browsing. Go back to tags and look for UI. Go to HUD and select our tutorial HUD. And now we need to copy this text. Go ahead and paste it into the other one and save our changes. Now we need to go ahead and go back to Tool. Now it's time to build our new map. So we'll put in this command to build our new map. I'm going to be using a modified version of the tutorial map. Now it's time to start Halo CE and look at our work. Now you have a custom in-game health HUD. Wow,